On this episode of TTP Garage. Yo, what's up? It's TTP Garage. I want to make a quick video on something that I recently purchased. So, if you didn't see my other videos, I have a 2001 GMC Sierra that I'm restoring to its full glory so I can utilize the truck so I can tow the DSMs to the racetrack. And, I need something bigger so I can get where I'm going, and I chose Chevy. Well, I chose GMC. You can't beat an LS. I'm sorry, but that's just me. Can't be an LS. The great thing about this truck is you can buy so many parts online for the truck, and it's easy to restore these trucks. You know what I mean? Because let's face it, new trucks nowadays they ain't like the older trucks. I'm sorry. You know what I mean? And like I said, can't be a LS, so why not, right? So here's something that I bought recently for the truck and I thought was really cool. And the great thing about this product too as well is that this company is local to me. So I live in Massachusetts, and the product that I bought is in Rhode Island, which is honestly, it's 30 minutes, 40 minutes away from where I live, which is not far at all. And I'm even surprised I found this company, and I would like to share this company with everybody. So if you are doing the same project I am doing to my truck and you want to do the same thing to your truck, I would contact these guys, because not only do they have the product that I bought, they also have multiple products. So this way you can keep these trucks longer and keep them on the road. So I'm going to show you right now what I bought. All right, guys, this is the old girl right here. She is a crew cab. It has a LS 6.0, the LQ4, which is very nice. And I call her Rosebud. So as you can see here, we were working on her. I finally was able to put a new gas tank support. I also have a new one for the front as well that goes behind the cab, but as of right now, we're doing some of the body work. We're sanding down all the rust. We're gonna do everything in-house. And so the product I want to show today that I bought is, if you have an HD truck, you would know that the frame on the HD trucks are a lot, as you can see here, a lot taller versus a 2500 that's not an HD, which is similar to a 1500. But if you have a 2500 HD, like what I have here, this is the spare tire support brace. Also, it supports the back of the truck. And when I first bought this truck, to try to find one of these was a nightmare. I mean, even a used one from down south, they wanted good money, like at least $400 or $500 just for this piece alone. So at first we were going to go a different route, but as time came along, more and more companies noticed that people are fixing their old trucks, and they came out with the HD spare tires, support. And I'm glad that I was able to find the local company for this, for what I was looking for. And man, I'll tell you, the quality of this support is super awesome. And like I said, it's pretty thick. I mean, the welds are awesome. Like, this is a nice solid piece. So the company is called Safety Cap. Here's the number We'll give them a call. And here's some of the other products that they make for the chassis. So you got the 2500 to 3500 HD, as well as the 1500 2500s, as you can see here. This is where they're out of, Cranston, Rhode Island. And like I said, this is my first product that I bought from them. And like I said, this is such a nice piece. This really is. And man, wow, this shock mount is really beefy versus like the stock one. So yeah, I'm super impressed with this product. So if you got a 2500 like I do, and you want to, you need one of these supports, I highly recommend getting one of these. I think I paid $199. I'm not sure how much for shipping is. I don't know. It's like $2 and change or whatever it was, but so worth it. So worth it. So yeah, there you go, guys. So you got a truck like mine, you're restoring it, I would definitely give these guys a call. That's the pod number. All right, guys. I'll continue working on this truck, restoring it, and I'll show you guys the progress. So hope you guys have a good holidays. Peace.